wonderful morning. Okay, so any time of the day is always morning because morning brings hope. Naipaglaom kung kabuntagon, di ba? So, but this is afternoon here and wherever you are in the world, welcome to this discussion. Ang atong company is Health Wealth International Corporation. I know the product since 2014 actually. I just want to share sa little of my testimony. Kay estudyante ko, I got good grades. I am nagkasakit ko og migraine and I also have cyst sa ako ang breast. Nga natabangan gid kay sa green barley. But at that time, more on consumption lang ko, wala ko nag-isip sa business aspect. But now, because I want the product very much, I really appreciate na ko siya. So, whether naa siya compensation na attach or wala, I really like the product. How much more nga naa siya compensation, no? Naa siya business aspect. So, nakabag-o lang na ko siya nakatunan ang business aspect. When my husband came into my life and nag-invite na ako sa Zoom. That was during the pandemic nga, nagsugod ang akong determination nga, wow, I want to do this as a business. Wala pa pud ko kasabot kani adto kung unsa ang network marketing. So I thought na unsa ba na siya kanang scam or unsa ba na. But I realized na when I did my research, it's really a profession. It's not just a business, but it's also a profession. So, nganong nagtagumpay ang uban, the same product, the same system, tungod kay naay gikinahanglan nga mga right mindset, naay right skill set, naay nindot nga mga panghuna-huna, positibo nga panghuna-huna, o unsaon siya pag-approach, no? So, kadaghanan, wala nagtagumpay, wala nagmalampuson kay puro man negative. Sa negosyo, nanay upat ka mga elements. Number one is high quality products. So, I am confident sa produkto sa Health Wealth. Labi na karon nga nanay bag-o nga another product. So, it continues to innovate. So, high quality products. Number two is a trusted company. No, ang company is already mag 20 years na. Is 2 decades na siya. So, dili na siya basta-basta. And in fact, nga wala nag-hire og artista. This is non-traditional. It stood through the test of time. So, and I also, my husband and I, na-meet gid ang owner. So, dili gid siya basta-basta nga company. And they also own franchise seafood sila sa Jollibee Food Corporation. And mga maayo ang mga owners. So that's really helped me to really trust. And going back sa product, and also, diri po na-awaken ang ako diri na pukaw ang ako ang entrepreneurial mindset. The product tastes good. All the variants, I really like all the variants. And now the newest variant, the GB100, it's really good. Ganahan ko sa mga product. Number 3 is competitive compensation plan. Meaning, dili masayang ang imong paghago dinhi. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business. Tinuod ni siya nga negosyo. You make yourself, di ba kung nag-consume ka, dili siya pareha sa traditional nga manufacturer, then mangita ka wholesaler, then advertising, then abot sa retailer, then pa sa end user. Now, diretso na siya from manufacturer to the end user. So, asya'y mubalik sa imo. If you buy products, di ba, sa lain-laing tindahan or sa pharmacy or sa department store, mura na siya. When you buy product, you have the money and then you buy product. Nothing more. And the next time you buy another product, the same. Di ba? Unless na sila mga discounts, but that's all. Well, what if maingon ka nga, uy, di ba, you recommend it to others. We have been recommending products to anyone without even getting paid. But here, di ba kung palitan naganahan ka sa pagkaon, kaonin mo sa ka restaurant, mga ka nga, asa man mo na nakaon, asa man mo na may lagi, o dito sa kuan, o pag ato niya dito, nabay ihatag sa imuha, nabay kapalit, oy thank you Paulo, thank you for recommending this, akay tagaan kag 500, o there is 1,000 for bringing this person. Kung siyempre magdala ka 1,000 ka tao, you will get nothing out of it. But you have been doing already the word of mouth recommendation. So ang network marketing, nanong ingon ana na siya ang product na butang liha because it requires explanation, it requires education and understanding. So it's not about magkailangan ka mag-hype o pasubraan mo yung istorya, but it's simply how you experience it. That's why it's very important because since users naman mo, consumer naman mo, you grow as your confidence mo grow na siya. So nga na ay compensation plan nga ang imong pag-share, ang imong pagbaligya, either retail and wholesale, and you also build people. You bring people who will also the same like you. So ang unang nimong kailangan is ilailahon ni mong kagalingon. Do I really like this? Do I appreciate this? So na ay compensation plan, na ay kabayaran, na ay mo balik sa imuha. So, dili siya yung matawag nga mahal ang product because you pay the whole system. You embrace the whole system. Na if you help other people, in return, you will also be helped. And number 4 is the most important thing. Ikaw ug ako. Mag-unsa man ang produkto, mag-unsa man ang company, ang compensation plan, if dili ta willing. No? I remember, I heard someone say, na I was there, na, sa day to, nagdala mo na siya og kanang green barley. O, nya, pila man pud na. Ay, mahal eh. Pero, sige siya order, no? So, ang confident level ni mo, na ikaw ang pinaka-fan sa imong produkto, no? Ikaw ang you're a raving fan of your own product. Ikaw ang mag-express, maraka ginagsangya o maayong balita ba? It's really like that. Actually, it started with it's really biblical. You preach. What do you preach? It's a good news. Something that you appreciate. Something na you like. So you don't sell the products that you don't like. This is about selling the product. So, and then inviting people to be like you. And then you duplicate. And then there's leadership there. So, this is not small time. This is big time. And regardless kung how much we earn here, we don't know yet. But we are growing, we are progressing, and we want you to do the same and be more. You know, we want you to have more in this. And this is not just a simple business. This is a profession. Trillions of pesos around a year ang sales. Volumes of sales around the world. Ang network marketing is a business model as lahi siya sa traditional business model. This is word of mouth recommendation. Like, diri sa Health Wealth, gitawag kag HWB daw, Health Wealth Bida. Kay wala man ni nag-hire og artista. So instead nga ibayad ang marketing sa artista, ibayad siya sa consumer na in return na himong retailer and in turn nag-organize, nag-build og organization. So, ang price niya is to let us know nga there is value. So, please do not underprice the product. Do not undervalue. Kaya mo man na siyang i-consume. So, you have to believe. Ang belief level dapat i-increase. So, naana to we are the most important factor to make success in this kind of business. Anya, napay daghan pang ayang angay ikatunon. And most important thing, ang pag-examine sa atong mga kawalingon. This is like a marriage ba? Kaminyoon siya. This is a marriage, a blend of marketing, leadership, and personal development. So, naay tulo ka klase sa mga network marketer. And we want to be the third one. It's still a work in progress. Number 1 is poster. No? marabag nakapatad lag luto ba? The lottery mentality. Mara nakapalit lag loto nga ticket and we just expect nga murag once you do it, di ba? Once na pay kag loto, di ba? Murag wala lang. And hindi ka makadaog, you just tear it up. May murang gisiyon. So, that's how we treat network marketing. Others, amateur, sa sugod, okay kaayo, but dili makapadayon and wala nga gi-level up. So, mag-expect o ka ng timing or position. So, manang ganahan sila magsigsugod o baong company. Ay gusto maganang position ba, ground up, nga na. Gusto o swerte, nga na. But, the third one is a professional, network marketing professional. Na naakay, you adhere to ethical standards, ngon sa tama nga pagbuhat sa marketing, and you believe na you develop the right mindset and the needed skills. So, we are working out to be more professional in whatever we do. And it's not that easy. But I firmly believe, I'm confident that this is the best way to do it. So, it's not perfect, but it's better. You know, the flexibility, the time freedom, and the learning and the relationships we build. So the heart of network marketing is building relationships. So I hope that you get something of this sharing, of this topics that I shared with you. And thank you very much, and more blessings to us all. And to God alone be the glory. Thank you.